G'day, it's Craig here at the Naturally Good Expo 2018 in Darling Harbour in Sydney. We've got a nice little stand here. Just want to take you through and show you what is new. A big push at the show is the War on Waste Blue Apple Stay Fresh Mat Combo. So the average Australian family throws away $350 worth of fruit and veg every year. So we're asking retailers what they sell to help their consumers reduce their food wastage. So the solution in our mind is the Blue Apple and Stay Fresh combo. So the Blue Apple, as any guys who've been watching these videos for a while know, is the Blue Apple. The Blue Apple basically sits in the crisper, the fruit bowl, potato bag, the onion bag. Basically wherever you store your fruit and veg, the Blue Apple works by absorbing the ethylene gas that's naturally emitted by fruit and veg to slow the ripening process down by up to 3 times. This little satchel here has sodium permanganate and volcanic ash in it. It's air soluble, so the ethylene gas goes in, gets trapped in the satchel, and after 3 months you empty the satchel into the garden, and it's a great little trace element fertilizer. You can, as a retailer, you can sell either the 2-piece apple for 15, the 8-piece satchel refill for 15, or the 1-year combo for 25. This is a great little initiative we've just introduced. It's our LCD stand monitor, which allows you to put a product underneath it. We give you the bamboo caddy as well, and promote one item with our great impulse videos. We've always had the best videos in the market, but getting them in a format that's easy for retailers to use has been a challenge. This little screen here stands about 50 centimeters tall, goes across by about 20 centimeters, so it takes up a little small footprint on your counter, and you can do a rolling promotion of different lines. This one's obviously the Blue Apple. On the Stay Fresh mat, as we all know, there's the Stay Fresh mat there, as well as on the wall over there. Basically that allows air to circulate underneath the fruit and veg to prevent mold, fungi growth, and food spoiling at the bottom of your crisper. Other thing we're really promoting here is the war on waste in regards to single-use plastic bags. Australians throw away about 3.76 billion single-use plastic bags every year, and in every state except for New South Wales, by June 30, they will be banned. You'll have to purchase them. In New South Wales, the Coles and Woolies are doing the work for the government, and they'll be banning single-use plastic bags in their establishments. So the question is, what are you as a retailer doing to help your help your customers shop without single-use plastic? What we've got here is the handy cart. So the handy cart basically folds down to a 10 centimetre thickness, weighs only 1.8 kilos, so very light, takes up a very small footprint, and therefore it's great for storage, great for the back of the boot. You don't have to take it out because it takes up so little space. But when you need it, it unfolds itself to a 30 litre capacity, 50 kilo construction bag that's waterproof, lightweight, easy to roll, because you can see here how it's got the wheels and it pivots back onto the wheels to roll around. So a great little initiative that you can use for shopping, but so much more. Picnics, sports gear, beach, anywhere you're going to move things from A to B. And this is a stand that we've built, and we're pretty confident we're going to order. It's about 1.5 high. It comes single-sided, comes with wheels, as you can see down there, but we're also going to make it double-sided. So if you want a double-sided, that'll be possible too. It has 2 hooks across, 2 hooks down, and also comes with a video. So that should be available for retailers come June, July. Other things to look at are our new Eco Basics bamboo range. So very affordable, very high quality brushware for everywhere around the kitchen and the home. You've got pot brush, vegetable brush, dish brush, bottle brush. This is a great brush. This will actually be a bit longer. The actual final product will be about 10 centimeters longer to get down to the base of the big bottles. We've got a bathroom brush, a window squeegee, a coconut dish brush, and a hand dustpan and broom. And we've got a full broom. They're going to be retailing anywhere between $15 to $5. So very, very cheap and cheerful pricing, great impulse pricing. This is another new one that's just arrived. It's our White Magic drying rack and trivet. It's basically a heat-resistant silicone with a steel construction that allows you to use it as a drying rack over the sink on the bench, so that you can place fruit and veg on there, pots, pans, glasses, and let them drip through. Or you can use it as a trivet, as a runneth in your table, on your bench for hot pots. It's actually resistant to 250 degrees, so you can actually put it in the oven. It rolls up for easy storage, and it's dishwasher safe. So that's a great little item that's just landed. Check it out from whitemagic.biz. Everything else is as per you've seen on many other videos. You've got our impulse lines, Eco Scrubby, cooktop scraper, bamboo, Scrubtastic, exit soap, cup and mug, handy cut, which we discussed, the Eco Clean, which is going very well, our fabulous colours in washing up pad, drying mat, tea towel, our amazing Eco Cloths and sponges, and then our full range of handles. All right, that's just a quick overview of the Naturally Good Expo in Sydney. If you've got any questions, please email info@whitemagic.biz or give us a call on 1300 306 380. Thanks for watching.